Apache 6, Raider 2, ceiling just lifted, FMV on station, over.
Roger, commencing the assault, over.
White 1, contact east, out.
White 1, Apache 6, roger, Raider 2, what do you see? Over.
Apache 6, Raider 2, troops in contact, vicinity checkpoint 4, dismounted reinforcements moving down Route Geronimo.
Roger, White 1, can you read?
Negative, in contact.
White 1, Apache 6, you have 4 enemy advancing towards you on Geronimo. Raider 2, can you send a grid on enemy dismounts on Route Tiger for fire mission? Over.
Apache 6, Raider 2, negative, low ceiling, can't see anything, over.
Break, White 1, 1 casualty, medevac to follow, over.
We are the midnight.
Investors? Possibly you!
Got the epic motherfucker!